Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set up shipping rates in Printful. First, you need to get familiar with two key numbers. Number one, what Printful charges you to ship. Number two, what your customers pay at checkout. Shipping costs are based on product category, destination region, and other quantity. Number two, you need to choose between flat versus live rate. For live rate, it's default. Printful charges a fixed rate. Example, one t-shirt to USA is $4 and plus $2 for each additional shirt. Accurate and easy, Printful picks the best carrier automatically. Live rate, this is optional. This means rates are carrier calculated in real time based on weight, origin, destination. It allows for express options and depending on distance, might be cheaper or more accurate. This only works with supported platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Now, how do you enable shipping in Printful? Log into Printful, go to Dashboard, and in Dashboard, go ahead and click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, click on Store Settings and click on Shipping. It's going to take you to this window. So you'll see toggles for flat rate. It is available for default, but this doesn't look like it's available by default. So it cannot be checked or unchecked. And live rates, you have the live rates option. So just go ahead and so the live rate, which is like the express rate option, so you can choose that, or you can check the box or just uncheck the box if you don't want it. So also, if you don't find the direct live rate option, it means your storefront does not support it. So it says we'll ship out all orders with our fixed rate standard shipping. Find out this on your storefront. Express shipping is only available for manual orders and stores that use live shipping rates. So view estimated delivery times on Printful product pages based on your selling region and during your checkout. Okay, so once you're done, head to printful.com and head to the shipping page to view current flat rates tables by product category and region. Now, t-shirts to USA, it's $4.75 for first, plus $2.20 each additional. Hoodies to UK, it's €6.99 first, plus €2.40 additional. So for flat rates, use the Printful rates exactly in your store or adjust them if offering discounts or free shipping. If supported, Printful sends real-time shipping rates during checkout. Just enable the feature, it handles the rest. You can absorb shipping by raising product prices, offer free shipping over a certain order amount, or even mix both strategies. So place test orders to yourself in different regions to see rates in action. Track metrics, cart abandonment, shipping complaints, adjust rates, or product pricing accordingly. And that's how it goes. So you can just go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you begin to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.